1970 440 pack engine. It's completely rebuilt. It's 30 over. It still retains the 10-to-1 compression as it was from the factory. It's got the factory distributor in it. Basically factory rocker arms. The only thing missing is we don't have the tri-power set up for it. It's got a new cam. It's all been internally balanced in the rear, but the front still has the 440 6-pack offset balancer, so you can run a neutral clutch in the back. It makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start it up here for you. I've already run the motor for 30 minutes, broke the cam in, so we're just going to run it here cold and let's just see what it sounds like if the battery allows us to start it.